Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your AirPod Pros to your Apple TV. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have an Apple TV, but you want the sound output to be your AirPod Pros. How do you actually connect the two together? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what we're first going to do is that we're first going to navigate to the settings tab here. And then you're going to scroll down to where it says remotes and devices, which is this button here. So underneath remotes and devices, you're going to scroll down to where it says Bluetooth. So click on Bluetooth. And then you should see your AirPod Pros. Okay, so here I have my AirPod Pros. Now the only reason why it automatically appears here is because you're logged on to your Apple account. Okay, so if you're logged on to your Apple account and your AirPod Pros are already connected to your Apple account and you're logged in on your Apple TV, you should see your AirPod Pros appear underneath My Devices. That usually happens by default. Now, if you don't see your AirPod Pros, what you can do is that you could actually open up your AirPods case and then click and hold the center button and then wait until it appears underneath other devices. So once you do that, you'll then be able to connect your AirPod Pros. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your AirPod Pros to your Apple TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.